the landscape of aerial cinematography is about to experience a profound shift. For professionals who rely on the sub-250-gram weight class to navigate strict FAA and global aviation regulations, the compromises have always been identical: you sacrifice sensor size, you lose mechanical aperture control, and you accept limited dynamic range. But the latest verified supply chain data for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro reveals that the era of compromise is officially over. We are looking at the imminent arrival of a true 1-inch stack sensor, a mechanical variable aperture, and an omnidirectional LiDAR system packed into a chassis that still fits in the palm of your hand. Welcome to TechVibe. We specialize in cutting through the noise to bring you the most authentic, verified hardware intelligence before it hits the market. Today, we are analyzing the precise technical specifications, the upgraded flight architecture, and the strategic release timeline of the Mini 6 Pro. If you utilize drones for commercial real estate, high-end travel production, or professional filmmaking, the data we are about to unpack will fundamentally alter your gear strategy for the upcoming year. Let us examine the hardware. For the past 3 hardware generations, the overarching limitation of the Mini series has been sensor readout speed and low-light performance. The manufacturing leaks explicitly confirm that DJI is rectifying this by integrating a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor into the Mini 6 Pro. The distinction of a stacked sensor is critical for professional workflows. It exponentially accelerates data readout speeds, which effectively neutralizes the rolling shutter distortion that traditionally ruins footage when tracking high-speed subjects or executing rapid panning maneuvers. However, the true paradigm shift, the feature that elevates this drone from a capable prosumer tool to a mandatory asset for Part 107 certified pilots, is the integration of a mechanical variable aperture, smoothly transitioning from f/1.7 to f/11. Consider the practical implications for your daily shooting environment. Lighting conditions are rarely static. When a cloud cover abruptly breaks or the sun begins to set during a crucial sequence, a fixed aperture drone forces you to interrupt your workflow, bring the aircraft back to the landing pad, and manually swap out neutral density filters to maintain your target shutter speed. With the Mini 6 Pro's variable iris, that operational friction is completely eliminated. You adjust your exposure organically, directly from your controller in mid-air, preserving your precise cinematic motion blur without missing a single moment of the action. Previously, this level of granular, on-the-fly exposure management was strictly confined to heavy, high-liability platforms like the Mavic 3 series. Delivering this capability in a discreet, regulation-friendly profile is a monumental achievement in optical engineering. Transitioning to the recording formats, it is necessary to address the speculation regarding 8K resolution. While high-resolution spec chasing is common in consumer electronics, the thermal realities of a compact, ultralight drone make sustained 8K video highly impractical without introducing severe overheating issues. The authenticated leaks indicate a much more strategic and professionally viable approach. The Mini 6 Pro will capture true 6K video at up to 60 frames per second, alongside a 4K resolution capable of 120 frames per second for flawless, high-fidelity slow motion. 6K represents the optimal standard for contemporary media production. It provides an immense canvas for post-production flexibility, allowing editors to aggressively crop, reframe, and apply digital stabilization on a standard 4K mastering timeline with absolute zero degradation in image quality. Furthermore, the system will natively support the 10-bit D-Log M color profile. For professional colorists, this translates to vast dynamic range, enabling the seamless recovery of intricate details in both blown-out skies and crushed shadows. The resulting image yields the rich, commercial-grade aesthetic that premium agency clients demand, captured by a device that remains entirely unobtrusive on a busy set or in public environments. Equally critical to the optical upgrades is the complete overhaul of the flight safety architecture. DJI is transitioning away from standard optical vision sensors, ushering the Mini series into the advanced era of Nightscape LiDAR. The Mini 6 Pro will be equipped with true 360-degree omnidirectional LiDAR mapping. Traditional optical sensors are heavily dependent on ambient lighting, rendering them largely ineffective and consequently making the drone highly vulnerable during early morning, twilight, or night operations. LiDAR fundamentally bypasses this limitation. By actively projecting pulsed lasers to calculate depth and distance, the drone generates a real-time, high-resolution three-dimensional map of its surroundings. This means it can confidently navigate through complex, high-risk environments, such as dense forestry or confined urban infrastructure, even in absolute darkness. It provides an unprecedented level of operational security for solo operators. This advanced LiDAR array operates in tandem with a newly integrated neural processing unit, creating a highly autonomous flight management system. This iteration of ActiveTrack moves far beyond basic subject following. The NPU continually analyzes the LiDAR's topographical data to autonomously calculate the most cinematic and secure flight paths. It intuitively anticipates subject trajectory and navigates around visual obstructions, executing complex, multi-axis camera movements entirely hands-free. The system is designed to seamlessly replicate the intricate flight dynamics of a dual-operator professional crew, allowing the solo creator to focus entirely on composition rather than collision avoidance. Operating in premium markets, whether that is navigating the concrete canyons of New York City, downtown London, or Los Angeles, presents severe challenges regarding radio frequency interference. Signal degradation can compromise a shoot instantly. To combat this, the Mini 6 Pro is advancing to the flagship DJI 5 transmission architecture. More importantly, the hardware leaks suggest the inclusion of native 5G cellular bonding. In scenarios where a physical obstruction, such as a skyscraper or a dense tree canopy, compromises the standard radio frequency, the drone's telemetry and video feed will instantaneously fail over to a 5G cellular network. This hybrid transmission strategy ensures a sustained, low-latency 1080p live feed to your controller, virtually eliminating visual dropouts and signal anxiety across an operational radius of up to 25 kilometers. To support this dense array of professional hardware, battery efficiency has been significantly optimized. Leveraging next-generation, high-density cell chemistry, the standard ultralight battery is projected to easily surpass the 40-minute flight threshold while maintaining the critical sub-250-gram classification. For operators prioritizing maximum loiter time over weight restrictions, the newly designed Plus battery is engineered to deliver an extraordinary 60 minutes of continuous flight. A full hour of airborne operational time fundamentally alters how a location shoot is scheduled, allowing for extensive location scouting, primary capturing, and secondary B-roll acquisition entirely on a single charge. Regarding the strategic rollout, supply chain momentum indicates that DJI is targeting the latter half of 2026. A formal global announcement is expected between late Q3 and early Q4, positioning the Mini 6 Pro precisely ahead of the critical end-of-year corporate and prosumer purchasing cycles. Given the inclusion of a stack sensor, a mechanical aperture, and omnidirectional LiDAR, the pricing structure will reflect its new professional status. Industry projections place the base model, equipped with the standard remote, between $899 and $949. The comprehensive Fly More combo, which incorporates the integrated screen controller and the extended high-density batteries, is anticipated to retail between $1,299 and $1,349. While this represents a premium capital investment, it effectively delivers the optical prowess and safety infrastructure of a flagship cinema drone within a platform that circumvents the most restrictive global aviation regulations. It is a calculated, high-yield asset for any serious media professional. As the release window narrows, the defining question is not whether the Mini 6 Pro will disrupt the industry standard, but rather how you will leverage its capabilities to elevate your own production value. Thank you for joining us at TechVibe, where we prioritize verified intelligence over internet speculation. Subscribe to the channel to ensure you receive our next deeply researched hardware analysis, and we will see you in the next briefing.